Hello, my name is Ajit and in this video I will demonstrate how to configure or create a hosting packages under WHM. So now today's world, people are looking for the best hosting solution or best space on the server so they can host their website or they can create their email address. So let's start creating packages on the WHM panel. So first log into your WHM panel. So we are already logged in with to our WHM panel. So on the left side, you can see there are a number of categories. We need to go under the packages. So under the packages, you can see there are four options. Number one is add a package, number two is delete a package, number three edit a package, and number four a feature manager. So let's log into the feature manager. So once you click on the feature manager, it will give the feature or option to create a features for your web hosting packages. So by default, you can see three features are there. Number one is default, number two is disabled, number three is mail only. So these three features, these three option has a different features. So for example, mail only. This is for the user that only access mail related features such as email archiving or spam patients. So default one gives a grant of cPanel users to access the feature by default. If you want to create your feature, you can also create your new feature list. Let's create a feature called a basic features. I'll click on add a feature list. So you can see n number of features under the list. So you need to select a feature which you want to allow to customers to see, or they can use under their cPanel access. So I can select a number of, if I want to select, if I can want to select a full features, I can select a few features. So for now, I'll select all the features and click save. So this is the way you can create a new features. You can see a basic features is already added to the list. So now let's create a package. We'll go to the option called add a package. So in this, first of all, I'll create a basic package, which I give a name, a baby package. So under the resources, if I want to give a particular quota, so I can give a quota to the package. So I'll select 300 MB space. I can just select a 300. A monthly bandwidth. This is as per your requirement. If you want to give a maximum FTP count the user can create, I'll give 5 FTP counts or 10 email addresses, and per email address they have a space of 1 GB, or I can decrease to 100 MB. So it just totally depends on you how you want to create a packages. So maximum email list unlimited, maximum data they can create only 2 databases, maximum subdomains I will give they cannot create any subdomains. Maximum park domain is 1. Maximum add-on domain should be 0. Rest option should be a default. Click add. So now my baby package is created. So I'm creating a new package called a silver package. I click on add a package. I'll give a name silver package. So disk quota I'll give it around 2 GB of disk quota. A monthly bandwidth, I'll give unlimited monthly bandwidth. Maximum FTP account should be unlimited. Maximum email account, I'll give a 20. And max quota per email account, I'll give 800 MB, or I'll give 1 GB, because some of the users use POP3 option or some of the users use IMAP options. So maximum email list should be 0. Maximum database, they can create a more about 20 database. Subdomains, they can only create a 5 subdomains. Maximum park domain, they can park 2 domains. Add-on domains, I'll give a 1 add-on domains. So rest of the option, I'll create a default one and click add. So next option is I'll create a package for the high-end users who want a more space, more features, or unlimited feature use. You can say I click on add a package. I'll give a package name called gold package. I'll give it this quota about 6 TB. Maximum bandwidth unlimited, maximum email account unlimited, max FTP account unlimited. But I will define a quota for emails to 1024. Maximum email list should be 0, maximum database should be 0, maximum subdomain should be 0, max park domain should be 0, and everything should be a default. Now feature list, if you want to change a feature list for that, you can select a basic feature also, click add. So now this is the way you can add any package to the WHM panel. So you can add unlimited package, you can create unlimited package. So next is how to edit a package. You need to go to add, click on edit a package. So you can select a package which you want to edit. For example, I want to add a baby package. Click on baby package, click edit. So once you click, you will get to see all the options which you want to edit. So here I'm just increasing the quota to 500 MB and saving the changes. So this is the way you can edit a package. So the next is if you want to delete a package, you can go to delete a package, select a package which you want to delete. For example, I want to delete a silver package, click on that and delete. So now your silver package is deleted from the WHM hosting. So in this video, I just basically demonstrate how you can create a new package, how you can edit a package, how you can delete a package, how you can manage your features of cPanel and give the access of the particular features to the customers. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.